Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're building a computer, and here's some of the products we have here. We have the Ryzen 7 8-core CPU. This is generation 2. Pretty cool stuff. It comes with a stock cooler. Doesn't look very stock. It's got some RGB lighting. It's going to be pretty dope. Okay, I can do that one. I can do that one. This is the 860 EVO. 1 terabyte, super fast stuff.
Hey guys, I've got the Trident Z RGB DDR4. These are dual 16 RAM sticks here for you, full RGB. They're gorgeous. They're going to run even more beautifully.
Oh yeah, here's the big boy right here.
I'll be your Vienna White.
GeForce GTX 1080, full RGB LED. This we went with the X470 Gaming Pro Carbon by MSI. Pretty sweet motherboard. Got some RGB. This thing's gonna be full with RGB. And this thing actually, this was only like 90 bucks. 750 watt. We want to go a little bit higher to be safe, because it's good to go safe with power supplies in my opinion. Cool. And then I'm gonna move out of the way so you can see the case.
This is a gorgeous Corsair mid-tower. It's got full tempered glass on the side here, so when we're done, everything's going to be full RGB. It's going to be lit like the 4th of July and Christmas combined all the way through. I'm super excited about this. Right from the get-go, one of the things I wanted, because I just like bright colors, I wanted RGB, and Jeff really helped me out with this.
Alright, so this is the motherboard here. This is the inside of the case. This is Andy. He's super stoked. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the motherboard in the case, and it's going to be dope.
That fan's pretty awesome. First set of 16 RAM right here. We're going to toss it so gently. Right there, just should just sit there. I don't have to push or anything.
Oh, push right down. You know, like
I was saying, it feels good.
And now we're gonna get this bad boy rolling. Alright, so here's the unboxing of the video card. Here's the graphics card. Oh yeah, look at that. Here's the backplate.
Get all the dishes in the background.
The fans in the front still have to be on. And the fans are on, but the light's not on. And then right now we're installing Windows 10. It's going really fast. Do you want to peel, or do you want me to peel? Oh yeah.